Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making this delicious paneer butter masala. It's super yummy and super delicious and healthy as well, so you're gonna love it. So we're gonna start by adding 1 teaspoon of butter into a big pan. Then we're gonna melt it. Then we're gonna add some finely chopped onions. And then mix them around. Mix them. Then add a bit of ginger garlic paste. And then mix it again. Everything has to be mixed well if you want a good flavor. Next, you're going to add 4 teaspoons of tomato sauce, tomato puree, into a small bowl. Then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. Then 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a bit of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of Jeera Powder, half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, and finally you're gonna mix it together. You're gonna make sure it's all nicely mixed together, and you're gonna make it turn it into a batter by adding half cup of milk. So as you can see, it's got a nice liquidy consistency, and we're going to be adding it now. It'll become thick later on. You're going to add little by little into the pan and keep on mixing it. So there we go. We're adding little by little, and then you're going to close the lid and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame. And when you open, blast. You get that delicious aroma. It's like it smells so good. And when you smell the aroma, you'll know it's ready. You're going to add the remaining half cup of milk and mix it all together. Then you're going to add some turmeric powder, and you're going to close the lid and cook it again. And now, this time it's a bit foggier, because you can see that the butter has rised up to the top and separated. So you're going to add 1 teaspoon of Kasoori Methi. You're going to grind it in your hands first and then add it in. And now my favorite part, the Paneer pieces. I love paneer. I really do. And it's super delicious. Add a bit more if you love it too. I mean, it can't hurt anyone, right? After that, you're going to cook it for 2 minutes. And then it's ready to serve. Serve it hot. It's good with roti, naan, and biryani. And enjoy it. It is delicious, super healthy, and super amazing. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye. Thanks for watching.